Good day everyone. Well, after having an exciting weekend driving Goggomobiles, as you will see in the previous video, today is a little bit more mundane. Today I've decided I really got to get the workshop in a bit of order because I've got parts here, there and everywhere, and I'm bound to forget where I've put things. So today's video might be a little bit boring, and I do apologise if you think it is, but I'm going to be sorting out all the parts. So that's today. So catch you later. Well, after a bit of mucking about, got most of the parts sorted out. So as you can see, got engine parts up there. We've got some gasket sets, all the different types of fasteners, all the screws, nuts, bolts. Over here, got all the electrical bits, so like spare coils, ignition switches, regulators, horn buttons, dash switches, wiper engines, motors, fuse boxes, covers, all that sort of stuff. And we've also, next level down, what I call body components. So we've got like the headlight covers, we've got rearview mirrors, we've got the Bowen cables, the foot pedals in there, things like the canopy brackets, we've got the windscreen wiper arms. Next down we've got brakes, and we've got the headlights there too, by the way, but it's mainly the brake stuff here. So brake shoes, slave cylinders, hoses. This time I've got what I call specialty tools. So we've got the spark plug checkers, we've got a tap and die there. This little box has got a little meter. We've got this, which is really quite an unusual piece. This is actually to get the armature out. Got the pullers, etc. Then we've got more stuff here like suspension, and there's a bit of trim there, we don't want that there. There. No idea what that's for. Mystery piece. So here we've got suspension, steering and brakes. So we've got like, it's a carburetor kit that can go upstairs. For steering bolt stuff, slave cylinder bolts, master cylinders, set, things like that. That can go over here to the brakes now. So we're getting there. A little bit of fiddling about, but anyway, fettling. This was a good word, isn't it? Fettling. Anyway, so it's a lot more organised, and also over this side here we've got the engine here, and we've got some of the rubber and trim pieces there. Yeah, so we're getting organised, which is good. Hopefully that'll make things a bit easier when we come to start wanting to find some of these bits to put it all back together. Anyway, we'll find out when we get there. Right, catch you next time.